That's coming up next.
Oh, no way. So you guys, this just happened.
Okay, what happened? I was trying to fight off a sneeze.
And then this is Rob trying to walk around, and this is Jeff.
It's true. I was trying to fight off a sneeze.
We're doing it slow motion, so go a little slower. Okay, so it's like coming up on DBL, and Jeff's like.
It's not even true. I was about to sneeze. First of all, once something comes up on the prompter, we're done with this. Once something comes up on the prompter, we're done with the segment. I'm done.
Yeah, he's on camera. All right, come on over here. Let's take a look back, Kelly.
Wait, here we go.
Here we go. In 3.
Wait, where's the camera?
Oh.
We need the camera. Okay,
Right,
here we go. Wait for it. He's gonna be right here on your screen.
Okay, Maroon 5. Oh, here he goes.
Mm.
He's like a monster.
It's like orbiting in space.
Oh man, it was ugly. It was bad. It was bad.
I don't know why that's making me laugh so hard.